Okay, I've got another project that I'm working on now, trying to take advantage of this beautiful weather. And I love pallets and I love anything like that. I like to save stuff. Well, we have these cool pallets. They're like pallet crates. They're pretty shallow, but they're well constructed, and they're little pallet crates. We've got 4 of them. We've had them since last year. I'm just trying to think, well, what can I do with them? So over the winter, I made a plan, and show you. I'm making a cucumber arch this season, and I have put 2 pallets end to end, and I put blocks in them and then raised the depth of it with 2x4s. Super simple. I just cut them and screwed them in, and that's what I'm working on over here right now. I cut these little 8-inch blocks, putting them in all the corners, and then I'm just screwing them in, and then I will put the 2x4s up around them. That will increase the depth of my box so the plants have nice area for their roots, and then I'll put some landscape fabric down in it and cattle panels across from one to the other, creating the arch, and hopefully we'll have a cool little cucumber arch out here this season. I thought I'd show you how our cucumber arch turned out once we finished it. We got the beds built up and put together, put the, if you can see that, put the cattle panels across there. It took 2 cattle panels to span the distance. And my boys came out here and painted the beds for me to make them look a little bit nicer. Got them filled with dirt down there, you can see. I have already planted dill seeds and radish seeds in there. My cucumbers are currently in the greenhouse, growing and waiting for their turn. Once they have their turn and they're ready to go, I will plant them out here, and they will grow beautifully across this arch. That's what I'm excited for.